Samantala, nagpahayag ang palasyo na ngayong nasa kamay na ng mga otoridad si Delphine Lee ay walang mangyayaring special treatment o special consideration para sa kanya. Muli mo kaming balitaan, Rocky Ignacio.
Tiniyak na Malacanang na walang special treatment ay pagkakaloob kay Delphine Lee, itinuturong responsable sa umano'y bilyong pisong housing scam. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edny Lacerda, ipauubayan nila sa korte ang desisyon kung saan dapat i-detain si Lee.
Of course, that will be subject to the discretion of the courts, and we will leave it with the courts to determine where he should be detained.
Samantala, nakapagpaliwanag na anya si Oriental Mindoro Governor Alfonso Umali kay Pangulong Aquino ukol sa ginawa nitong pagtawag kay PNP Chief Alan Purisima kaugnay ng pagpapairal ng warrant of arrest. Sagot ito ng palasyo sa report na may pumipigil umano sa pag-aresto kay Lee. Git na Lacerda, nauna ng tinanong ng Pangulo si Umali upang alamin kung may katotohanan ng naturang at hindi umano upang protektahan dahil sa pagiging kapartido.
The fact that the President texted him also showed, totoo ba? I mean, the President was also read it from the news na si Governor Boy Umali tumawag. So he wanted to confirm with Governor Boy Umali, is the report true? And so Governor Boy Umali explained it. But with respect to what happened to the conversation or the text messages that transcribed, I have no information. We can ask.
Nauna na ipinahayag ni Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma na naipaliwanag na ni Umali ang kanyang panig at kontento naman ang Pangulo dito. Sa paliwanag ni Umali, ang kababayan nitong si Attorney Gilbert Repiso ang humiling upang alamin sa PNP kung umiiral pa ang naturang warrant of arrest.
Like in our case, he always gets our transcripts. It happens to us, no? But in the case of the others, he would call them up and ask them to explain if there's a report. Kasi sometimes, and almost always naman, the entire conversation is not quoted verbatim. So, is there something lost in the report he wants to, or is this a complete report? So he would always ask the individual concerned.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.